Many students memorize formulas, but still get SAT percent questions wrong. In this video, I'll show you every interest formula you need and exactly when to use each one. First, we should know what is percentage. A percentage is a ratio out of 100 that represents a part to whole relationship. Percent means parts per 100. This is the most important formula you need to remember. Percent equals part divided by whole multiplied by 100. If you understand this formula, most SAT percentage questions become easy. Let's start with a simple example. What is 25% of 80? In this problem, we know whole and percentage. Let's put the values into the formula. So part equals 20. Now let's talk about percent change. This appears very often on the SAT. Here is the formula. New value, subtract old value, and divide by the old value, then multiply by the 100%. Let's jump on a simple example. If the price of a dress starts out at $80 and rises to $90, how many percent does the price of the dress change? The old price is 80 and the new price is 90. Put the values into the formula. So percent change is 12.5%. Let's quickly understand the other interest formulas you'll see on the SAT. This is the simple interest formula. Interest is calculated only on the original amount. It does not grow year by year. On the SAT, if you see simple interest or no compounding, use this formula. This formula is used when interest is compounded once per year. Each year, interest is added to the total, and then interest grows faster. If the SAT says compounded annually or each year, use this formula. This is the most powerful interest formula. Use it when interest is compounded more than once per year. If you see monthly, quarterly, or daily, this is the only correct formula. The SAT doesn't test math, it tests recognition. If you choose the right formula, the problem is already half solved. Knowing which formula to use is more important than memorizing them. Follow this channel for clear SAT math explanations. No confusion.